Welcome to the Watch List. I'm Lindsay Melchuk. I'm joined today by Ivan Bebek, Chair and CEO of Coppernico Metals. Welcome back, Ivan. Always a pleasure to sit with you.
Thank you very much. It's great to be back again. We've done a few interviews recently, and we have a lot going on with the company. As you saw, we just announced drilling at our flagship Sombrero project.
Yeah, so Coppernico actually just announced news that the company has initiated a 6,500-meter drilling program at its Sombrero copper gold project. This sounds interesting. So what would a discovery at this project mean for shareholders?
Yeah, this is a great program. And in this market, you're not seeing many drills turning, but this is quite a large program. We're funded to drill 13,000 meters, which is about 30 holes. And these are all brand new holes into something that could be a massive new discovery. And so when you think of Sombrero and you think of what the drill result could mean, it could mean the start of one of the top 10 or 20 mines in the world. That's certainly what the evidence to date on surface has given us potential for. And we are now drilling. We're well on our way, and we're starting to see the rocks, and it's getting really exciting. And last point to make there is, as a shareholder in the exploration business or an entrepreneur, the most exciting time is now, and it's going to continue on for the next 12 to possibly next 2 or 3 years if the discovery's there. So we're really encouraged. A discovery to shareholders would be huge. We'll see early indications of it in the beginning of drilling, or we might get lucky and see a very obvious drill hole that really sets the tone for the rest of the program. This is the scarring system. Scarrings are variable, so there will be, a lot of misses and a lot of hits, and that's what we expect out of the system, but we're super encouraged to be drilling as I sit here with you today.
So there has been numerous milestones achieved. So what are some remaining key milestones for 2024, and what kind of catalysts can shareholders expect in the next 12 months?
A great question. So for the last 9 years, we kicked rocks 9 years ago on this project, and we got a drill permit in April of this year. Shortly after getting social access, we saw 2 senior executives from BHP, the world's largest mining company, join our board. This was a testament to the potential of this project in terms of size to be that caliber if it's right, but at the same time to the quality of the exploration work that's been done shaping it. And the next major catalyst for us was 2 of them. One is to list the company's shares on the Toronto Stock Exchange. The company will be getting the symbol COPR, and we're about to choose a listing date here within the next few weeks, the first half of August. It should be trading, and there'll be news from us here in short term. And lastly, the catalyst, it's the best catalyst you could hope for as an exploration investor, and that's steady drilling and steady chance for a world-class discovery for the next 12 to 24 months as we look to a big turn in the commodities market towards the shortages in copper and the performance of the copper price, as well as the performance of gold, silver, and other metals. So we're at perfect timing. We have the best catalyst you can have. We're funded through October of next year, and we can drill 30 holes, and we're on the first hole right now of 30. So a lot of really exciting news for shareholders, and that's going to be the main driving catalyst, which is the best one.
Well, Ivan, these are some really exciting insights, and thank you so much for joining me again. I cannot wait to hear more news to come. Keep the news coming.
Thank you so much. Hope to be here with some drill results in our next interview, but really appreciate your time and can't wait for those first holes to get into the project. But thank you.
Absolutely. Again, that was Ivan Bebek, Chair and CEO of Coppernico Metals. Thank you for tuning into the Watch List. To join the conversation, head to stockhouse.com. I'm Lindsay Melchuk. We'll see you next time.